I'm currently in Lancashire, beautiful scenery, beautiful views. This end terrace property will be converted into a 6-bedroom HMO. There will be 4 bedrooms upstairs with 2 bathrooms. 1 bathroom will be here. Second bathroom will be over here. Downstairs there'll be a further 2 bedrooms, large lounge and the kitchen. Once this property is completed, we will receive a long lease with guaranteed income, no voids and no management. I'll show you downstairs. It's been good progress. This will be the kitchen. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.